Welcome to Legend English Academy. I am Amit Kumar Acharji, CEO, JS Software and Technology. I am taking some classes on different topics, especially focusing on grammar. And by this time, I have already talked about different topics, focusing on noun, focusing on present participle, past participle, infinitive, gerund, and so on. And by this time, I have also talked about textbook topics like I have seen Bengal, Banglar book আমি দেখিয়েছি, written by poet Jibananand Das, and also talked about the legend of Ghazi. And these topics are incorporated in the syllabus of ACC level, and I have a very good plan to start on different topics, especially focusing on NCTB curriculum at both SSC and ACC level, so that our students can be benefited. However, today I have decided to talk about NP plus present participle. You know what is NP plus present participle and what is NP plus past participle. So first I would like to talk about NP plus present participle. Sentences of three types: simple, complex, and compound. And when we try to make any complex sentence or any compound sentence or simple sentence, we generally follow some rules. And what is the use of NP plus present participle? To make simple sentence, we usually use NP plus present participle in special structures, like when the sentence is formed with a relative clause. So I am trying to focus on these two topics, one NP plus present participle and another relative clause, and these two topics are closely connected with each other. So first I would like to talk about NP plus present participle. So let us start. Now the topic is NP plus present participle. NP plus present participle. I think you see it clear, and the topic is NP plus present participle. So first I would like to talk about present participle. What is present participle? Basically, present participle is the form of bar plus ing. Bar plus ing. This is the present participle form, bar plus ing. And this bar plus ing form works like an adjective. It is also a verb, but present participle always works as two parts of space. Here present participle is both a verb and an adjective. That is, all participles like present participle and past participle are adjectives, are treated as adjectives with adjective equivalents. So here NP plus present participle also an adjective, but first it is a verb. So you understand, participle or present participle is an adjective equivalent. First it is a verb. So when we use present participle, first of all we have to understand it is a verb. And when we want to make any simple sentence, we can use NP plus present participle when the complex sentence is formed with relative clause. Relative clause. So first I am trying to give you an example. Look, the example I am giving: the rain that falls on the roof makes a noise. You understand the sentence? First sentence I am trying to explain: the rain that falls on the roof makes a noise. This is a complex sentence. This is a complex sentence. So this sentence, complex sentence. The rain that falls on the roof makes a noise. This is a complex sentence. And this complex sentence we have made by using relative clause. By using relative clause. So here that is the relative clause. You know, I think you know what is relative clause. Relative clause and relative clause also an adjective clause. So relative clause we make with the relative pronouns. So this relative clause that falls on the roof, this part is relative clause. This part is relative clause. So this relative clause I will change by using NP plus present participle. I am again trying to show you. The rain that falls on the roof makes a noise. Look this part. That falls on the roof. That falls on the roof. This clause is relative clause. This clause is relative clause. Once again I am telling you. That falls on the roof. This clause is relative clause. This clause is relative clause. Okay. Now, wait. This clause is relative clause. Relative clause. You understand? This clause is relative clause. This part that falls on the roof. This part is relative clause. So I will change this relative clause NP plus present participle. I will change this clause NP plus present participle. That is the rain that falls on the roof makes a noise. That falls on the roof. This clause is relative clause, and I will change this relative clause by using NP plus present participle. NP plus present participle. Now I will use in case of relative clause, and then the sentence will change into complex sentence. Now I am writing the rain falling on the roof makes a noise. So here the rain falling on the roof makes a noise. And now you can say this sentence simple sentence. This sentence simple sentence. This is simple sentence. I understand. I think you have understood what is the relative clause and what is NP plus present participle, and how to make simple sentence with NP plus present participle, and how to make complex sentence with relative clause. And relative clause, if the sentence is made with the relative clause, then you can change that complex sentence into simple by using NP plus present participle. This is the structure, or this is a basic sentence pattern. This is a basic structure, and we can use this structure to make simple sentence. But it doesn't mean that we have to change the complex sentence into simple, or vice versa. It doesn't mean so. But we can make simple sentence by using NP plus present participle. And this structure is very important. And you know, students who are going to sit for SAT, GMAT, theory, these types of international tests, NP plus present participle is very important for them. Even those students who are the candidates of university admission test, they know very well, I think, this rule is important for them also. So NP plus present participle, if you try to learn from your early age, I think it will be a great help for you, no doubt. So try to understand NP plus present participle and NP plus past participle. These two rules are very important, because these tools, so far as you know, these two rules are not always taught, because we generally start from parts of speech, then we start from case, then we try to make voice, because these types of questions or topics are available in our syllabus, and we try to make or learn narration and so on. But you remember, these rules are very important. NP Present Participle and NP Past Participle. And also you have to know about relative clause. And relative pronouns are also very important. Though all rules are more or less important, no doubt, but some rules are more critical than others. So that is why I am trying to focus on NP Present Participle. And you know, in my previous class, I talked about present participle, past participle, infinitive, and gerund. And here I am trying to talk about NP plus present participle. So once again, I am trying to recap. Now you look, this sentence is a complex sentence and this sentence is a simple sentence. That is, the rain that falls on the roof makes a noise. This is a complex sentence, and the rain falling on the roof makes a noise. This sentence is a simple sentence. And if I talk about the structure of complex sentence, basically a complex sentence has two parts, not mandatory. One part is mandatory, that is the main clause, and the other part, subordinate clause. There may be one or more subordinate clauses. That is 1, 2, or 3. Maybe one or more. This clause, you see, the rain that falls on the roof makes a noise. This complex sentence has two parts. This clause, relative clause, what I say, this clause, relative clause that falls on the roof, this clause, relative clause, because this clause, relative clause, because this clause has been made by using that relative pronoun. That is the relative pronoun. And it has also the main clause, the rain makes a noise. The rain makes a noise. This is the main clause. So this is the complex sentence. Again, if I look back at a simple sentence, what is the structure of simple sentence? A simple sentence has one subject and one final verb. That is, the rain falling on the roof makes a noise. Here, the rain is the subject and makes, this is the final verb. So once again, a simple sentence has one subject and one final verb. That is the rain, one subject, and makes is the final verb. And this is the simple sentence. But you can say falling is also verb, but this is the present participle, and present participle is not a final verb. It is a non-final verb. So I have talked about present participle and relative clause. So now you can see we can make more and more sentences by using NP plus present participle. We can make more and more sentences by using NP plus present participle. So let me give you another example, and then I can explain again. Now I am writing, the women who sit in the yard of their home may enjoy gossiping. Now you see, I have written as complex sentence. This is the women who sit in the yard of their home or homestead. I can also say homestead. Homestead. Men enjoy gossiping. So here look, the women. This is NP. And who, this word is the relative pronoun. And sit, this is the verb. Sit is the verb and this is the final verb. And may enjoy gossiping, this is enjoy is another final verb. So this is a final verb, this is also a final verb. Now I have to make this final verb into non-finite by using the structure NP plus present participle. That is, I have to change this verb sit into non-final verb, I mean present participle. So if I write sitting, the women sitting, the women sitting, this sitting is present participle. You understand? Sitting is the present participle. Now we can say women is the NP. Sitting is the present participle. Now the sentence changes into simple. That is, the complex sentence changes into simple. The women sitting in the yard of the homestead may enjoy gossiping. This sentence is the simple sentence. This sentence is the simple sentence. The first I wrote complex sentence by using relative clause. Who is the relative pronoun here? And now I use NP plus present participle. That is, I have used NP plus present participle to make a simple sentence. So, okay. I hope you understand. Once again, I am giving you a big thanks to you all for watching me or for watching my channel, Legend English Academy. Let me talk about once again about Legend English Academy. Legend English Academy is an e-learning platform. Not only it is an e-learning platform, I am going to start physically Legend English Academy at different corners of Dhaka City Corporation. I mean Dhaka City. Initially, I want to start a platform, physical platform, I mean class platform in Tikatuli area, and then gradually I will try to start more and more if possible. But in the previous years, especially before Corona period, I got centers, coaching centers or learning centers. They started to take classes on English, or different levels of students of school and college came to me. And once upon a time, I was a teacher of English, both school and college. First I started in school level and then I joined as a lecturer of English in college level. And I gave up this profession for another profession, I mean, that is, now I am doing business in software and medical and scientific equipment instrument. In parallel, I am trying to continue my English coaching. And I have a software firm, and this is JS Software and Technology, and this software firm provides ERP software. ERP software. I'm just introducing you to my software. This is ERP software. ERP software. It is provided by JS Software and Technology. This is the name of my business firm, JS Software and Technology. ERP software. ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. This is the ERP software, and this software is very crucial for large, medium size business organization. In case of industry, in case of trade and commerce, in any type of industry, if it is mid or large, ERP is better for them. And there are many renowned ERP softwares around the world, and out of them I deal with 3 ERP softwares. First, so Tally. First one, Tally. Second one, Odoo. And third one, SAP. So you look, I'm just trying to give a brief of my business, especially focusing on software. And in another class, not in English class, I also have JS Software and Technology Facebook page. There I try to give description on different product lines, especially medical and scientific equipment, instruments and surgical goods, and also ERP software. So I'm just introducing yourself why. Later I will explain. This is Tally, it's a ERP software. Odoo, it is India-based software. This is Belgium, and this is Germany. This is Germany, and this is Italy. There's 3 types of ERP softwares I try to deal with. But large organizations use SAP because it is very costly and very robust. But medium size orders prefer Odoo, and small SME type, and also medium size prefer TAP. Now I'm trying to introduce you to my website. And what's my plan? Legend English Academy is an e-learning platform. So you can learn English from anywhere, and there you need a portal, e-learning portal. This is the Facebook page. I'm giving you or uploading some videos into the Facebook page, and you are trying to access. But if you want to learn more effectively, there I need a e-learning portal. E-learning portal. And from the e-learning portal, students sitting from anywhere can access to their resources. They can sit for exams or mock test or any types of exams. They can download their necessary notes. They can access to the encrypted videos and so on. That's why I think is very important to hear. And it's my pleasure that I myself is building my own software. I'm trying to introduce to you my website. www.jssoftandtag www.jssoftandtag.com. This is the name of my website. JS Software and Technology. This software, if you visit, you will gradually get to know everything. And gradually I am trying to develop this software, this website, into a portal. And there are so many plans I have. There's so many plans. Now I don't want to discuss anymore. Later I will talk sequentially everything. However, if you are humbly requested to visit my website www.jssoftandtag.com. This software is my pleasure that I have made myself, and I am trying to develop my own software myself. Whenever I get time, I try to develop it. I try to code, I try to design, etc. However, if you feel you need, you can contact me, and my mobile number is already in my Facebook page. So I have also my email address. So if you think you need any support from me regarding English, regarding subject, regarding medical equipment instrument, regarding scientific equipment instrument, regarding surgical goods, you are humbly requested to contact. And once again, thank you for watching my Facebook page. Thank you, best of luck. Wait. Okay. Best of luck. Thanks.